October 1st, 2024. Microsoft has a new foldable phone patent. And based on rumors, they're coming back. That's right, we might get ourselves a Surface Duo 3. Or some sort of device that is kind of like a Surface Duo 3. So here's what the patent shows. And yes, the bezels are absolutely atrocious. These bezels are crazy. So you got a hinge down the middle, which looks like it's a hinge on... Actually, first off, this does not even line up correctly. This hinge and this hinge does not line up correctly. But it's a hinge down the middle, but it looks like it's one singular foldable display. Honestly, this just looks like the Surface Duo 1 or 2. Is this just the Surface Duo 1 or 2? Or is this a Surface Duo 3 concept? No, this is going to be... Yeah, wait. No, this is going to be separate displays. So this is like a Surface Duo 1 or 2, except it's separated. That's so weird. Is it separated or is it the same? The problem with patents is sometimes you can't really see if it's separated or not, or if it's actually the same. Okay, so it's going to be one display. So it is going to be one display, because this is all connected together. So it's one singular display that can go 360 degrees. Oh, this is going to be interesting. We already, again, and then there's this huge gap right here. So there's a huge, when you close it together, there's a huge gap in the middle, because it's not like the Z Fold series or the Google Pixel 9 Pro series. It's completely different. There's like this little gap right here between each display. It all connects together, but again, there's a little bit of a gap, which when it's closed fully, it's like that. Wait, when it's closed fully, it's like this, but then you also have this one right here. This is so, again, patents are so weird. Okay. Listen, I'm all for it, to be honest. This is also 38 pages, I just realized. Let's go back to the top. I'm all for Microsoft joining the race, but again, you know, it's going to be a flop show if they join the race and they don't come in with a good product. This picture right here, this series right here, looks like the Surface Duo 1 and 2. That's what this looks like. But because there's no gap right here, it looks like it's going to be a 360 degree display. It's going to do like a Surface Duo 1 or 2, but with a foldable display, not two separate displays. And then right here, you can see it has that inside right here. This is all one display. This is not like a hinge here. This is the display right here. So it would be, in theory, just one gigantic display, but the part of it is where the hinge is also kind of cuts off. So I guess when you open it up fully, you still have that, you know, perfect display, but you will have a crease down the middle. And then this one right here shows it goes 360. So this is the inside display. This is the phone going 360 with that screen on the outside right there. So it still has that screen right there. And then these patents kind of still show off the same concept. This is the display right here, which is a hinge right underneath of it. And yeah, these ones kind of confuse me a little bit, but now that I'm looking at it more, I can kind of understand this. So yeah, Microsoft might be getting back into this. I'm very excited about that. I really want to see Microsoft kind of put, you know, their nose back into this and kind of see what they come up with. Listen, the more competition, the better. The better products we get when they have more competition. So hopefully this ends up being a really good thing. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.